This is Erica palm plant, grows well in the shade. So this is one of the shade loving plant. You can keep it indoors as an indoor plant, a best house plant and air purifier too. So this plant loves well draining soil and do not go to overwater it if you have kept it as an indoor plant. Welcome friends, welcome to Tamara's garden, and today I will be sharing you some of the plants that loves the shade. So they will well grow in the shade, and also these plants are best indoor plants. We start with this beautiful plant Syngonium, one of the evergreen plants that loves the shade, and this plant can tolerate medium to partial sunlight. One of the best indoor plants, you can grow them very easily. One of the best beginner gardeners plant too. Here we see this beautiful Aralia plant. This plant also grows well as a house plant, as an indoor plant, and also this is a shade loving plant. This is one of the varieties of philodendron, grows well in the shade under a tree in the outdoor garden, or else if you have kept it as an indoor plant, this grows really well. They love the shade. The beautiful variety of philodendron which I have kept outdoors as an outdoor plant, and it's growing so well, looks so evergreen and beautiful. Snow white plant, one of the evergreen plant and also one of the aglaonema varieties. And here we have the Swiss cheese monstera, another beautiful plant as a house plant, and also it loves the shade. Beautiful peperomia, one of the varieties that I have, and it also grows really well in the shade. One of the beautiful house plants, low maintenance and permanent. Another variety of beautiful peperomia. This also loves the shade. They grow really well and look so green. Variegated ficus triangula, another beautiful shade loving plant and also low maintenance and permanent plant. Rubber plant which grows really tall and beautiful, and this is another house plant. You can keep it outdoors in the shade. This is the cast iron plant. You can grow them really very healthily in the shade. It also loves the shady corner in your garden if you put it outdoors. Beautiful house plant. This is called the CZ plant, one of the best house plants. Need no watering every day. And also this you can propagate with a single leaf and also with a stem cutting. So this is another beautiful plant for the shade. And this is one of the indoor and outdoor garden plant. If you have kept it outdoors, see that you keep it in area where they get the partial to medium sunlight.